Hey plant gang, right here, this shrub that's right around me is probably in my mind one of the most underused shrubs for its ornamental characteristics in the home landscape. And I think a lot of people don't think of this as an ornamental shrub, but I certainly do because of its four-season interest. And this is Vaccinium, or the blueberry. Now there are a lot of different species of blueberry, but my goal for this video is that you recognize a Vaccinium or a blueberry when you see it. Now, there are blueberries that are very low, almost ground cover blueberries, and there are very tall blueberries that are quite large shrubs, but they all have a lot of similar characteristics, and I really want you to know a blueberry or a Vaccinium when you see it. So this Vaccinium or blueberry that you're looking at is just one member of the genus Vaccinium, and this is a widespread genus of medium-sized shrubs to dwarf shrubs. In fact, what you know of as a cranberry, that's also a Vaccinium. I'm mostly concerned as part of this video with what we typically refer to as the blueberry, the ones that are consumed by humans and eaten as a round fruit. That's both nutritious and delicious. So again, we're looking at Vaccinium here. Let's do some ID characteristics. The leaves typically have a grayish cast to them, in particular in new growth, and then kind of fading to a darker green. The leaves are alternately arranged on the stem. The leaves tend to come to more of an acuminate type tip with a very light serration. That's just generality, since we're talking about just the genus Vaccinium, which has, I believe, like a 400 and some species within the genus. Some of them you wouldn't even recognize as a Vaccinium. But again, we're focusing in on the Vacciniums that we refer to as blueberries, and many of them have very similar characteristics. And back to the leaf, a lot of times the leaves have a little bit of an upswept nature to them. And once you learn what a Vaccinium or a blueberry looks like, you're going to be able to recognize it pretty well. Here's a landscape tip. Consider this plant's ornamental characteristics, including its fiery red fall color.